Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you the usage of QAT, Quick Access Toolbar. Okay, there is a very useful toolbar here, Quick Access Toolbar, and it is very easy for us to do some functionality of Excel or the add-ins or the buttons through this quick access toolbar as a shortcut. Okay, now I have the quick access toolbar here in the above the ribbon. This is called ribbon, and above the menu you can see this part. Okay, the saving part, I just click save. It saves the Excel worksheet. Okay, this bar is called quick access toolbar. Okay, this quick access toolbar, I have only a few functionalities here. One is the save, then do, undo or do, and undo or redo, and you press this down arrow, you can see customize quick access toolbar. This is the toolbar. Okay, this toolbar can be placed either above the ribbon or show below the ribbon. Okay, you can place it here also. What is the purpose of this toolbar? This will be very useful for you. Your actions, whatever actions you do more frequently, you just place the action here, the button, okay, here, so that you can straight away press, and here I save it very frequently, so I put that saving functionality here in the quick access toolbar, so I just click and save. Okay, but you can also save it by go to file and save. Okay, so this way whatever complicated actions or the actions more times you perform, you just place it in the quick access toolbar. Okay, so how to add those buttons or your own actions into the quick access toolbar? Go to customize quick access toolbar, and here you can add those new. They already given some of the very useful things here, but sort ascending or sort descending formulas. Okay, so similarly when you want to add some of the options, you can add it if it is already there. You don't want to you want to remove it, you can uncheck that one anytime and it goes off. Okay, and so on. So now what if the action is not at all here? I want to add my own buttons whichever is already there in other places. Then you can go to add more comments. Okay, go to more comments, then you will see for each section what are the comments available. You can see that popular comments and all the comments, you can include all the comments, and this is for you to, it is helping you to choose and find the comments. If you know the comments, you can find it in all comments, it is in the sorted order. Or if you don't want, you just have the popular comments, you can find it here. So whatever comments you want to find it, you find it here, and add that comment into the quick access toolbar. This is the customization of QAT part. Okay, so go to all comments. For example, every time I use change chart type. Okay, so what chart data table or whatever, so this functionality I use it many times, so I just add it. Okay, and also I will use auto filter functionality many times, so I no need to every time go and go to the data then auto filter. I can anywhere, I can straight away press. Okay, so I add it, something like that. I add popular comments, decrease the font size. Okay, I add, so font color. okay, and format cells every time I right click and go there, something like that. Okay, then you press OK, then you can see all this is added here. Okay, so I just change the font color. Anywhere I can change the font color straight away, instead of going to home then go to the that command. Similarly, I can do the auto filter straight away. I will do it from here, instead of I go to the data and filter or right click and do it. So some of the actions are minimized using this Q80. Okay, if you don't want the thing to be there in the Q80 quick access toolbar, go here and you simply remove it. I don't want font error and so on. You can simply remove the quick access toolbar part. Okay, so you two ways you can go to the quick access. Either you go here, more comments, or go to file, options, quick access toolbar. Okay, in this way you can use the quick access toolbar, and it is more interesting toolbar for shortcuts. Okay, perform the command straight away. Okay, you can, I always place it above the ribbon because it is saving some space for me for the worksheet. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.